today. It was beautiful skies in Esperance. Out here it is pouring. So I was looking at going to St. Mary campsite. Mad campsite, it's got like little wallabies there and all that you can feed. We're going to ditch that idea. It has been pissing down all day today. I'll throw a little video up as well. They've seen like a twister starting to form and all that. I've got that on the phone. That was a bit scary. Alright, this is Elephant Rocks. And I'm guessing it's named that way by the rocks looking like elephant backs. Isn't it amazing? For each other like a bullet from a gun. There was a humming and a harrowing about wearing my shorts. The water's actually beautiful. I should have worn them. But we've got a little Kake River as well. Right next to here, you've got green pools as well.
You know you've seen my face before, so let me tell you something, darling.
Okay, that's pretty amazing, and the water's really nice. Colour of it. Just on the way into Banksia camp. You're doing it, plan on coming here, definitely you have to have a forward drive to begin with. Doesn't matter if it's summer, winter, whatever. And definitely, as you come up the main track, head down. It's soft, it's pretty hard there, but when you're driving, it's all nice and soft. Yeah, I've got these rubber mats that do help.
Your lips on mine, I love it when we hide in the pale blue sky, floating on cloud nine.
This Banksia campground was absolutely amazing. It was crazy to see these two sharks swimming around in the waters. One of the fishermen actually released a salmon and it came up and just smashed it. Definitely recommend going down here and checking out this campground. It is a paid camp, so it is going to cost you, but definitely well worth it. Also, this has been the new drone. This is the highest I've taken it up, and I'm so happy I did. The amount of footage and the view there was spectacular.
To earth, it's just as good as up there. I'm gonna keep you near, 'cause you're all I need.
We're just visiting it's only a quick visit, the lighthouse at Augusta. I did see coming in, Augusta was formed in 1830, hell of a long time ago. But this is the site of where the Southern Ocean and Indian Ocean both meet. So that's been bugging me the whole time that goes being here. So I thought I'll grab the GoPro, give you guys a little bit of a look. Unfortunately, you can't see the difference in the water. Would have been good if you could. I know, like down home when the fresh water hits the salt water, you can see the actual line. Right behind me, just over here, you should be able to see the waves smashing up on a rock. So for me to there, that's the line of the southern on this side, Pacific on this side, oceans coming together. There's nothing really much more to say about it, but you can't even see anything. We were originally told that it does get really rough there and you see waves and shit like that, but nah. Anyway, we're probably going to head over to camp now. We were tossing up between going in a day and heading to Perth or going to camp. We decided to head to camp. Our good little friends that we met at Banksia campsite recommended a camp spot. Apparently you can see marron there and all that. It's not marron season, so we can't eat them. But yeah, I think they're just a yabby, a black yabby really, but yeah, I don't know, it could be different. Someone could leave a message in the comment. Brian and Bianca have both got a YouTube channel and some social media stuff where he takes a fair few photos, so check it out down below, you'll see a link of them. It's a bit fresh today. This is the campsite, Chapman's Pool. It's a paid one, again. Pretty expensive to camp in WA when it comes to the paid campsites. Back home it's just $14 a night. Here it's $10 per person. So, sorry, $15 per person. Dad only has to pay $10 because he's a pensioner. Pretty pricey. It adds up, trust me. I hope I'm going to say this right. This is Mandurah country. Probably said it completely wrong. This water is crystal clear. You can see straight down into it from here, up on this platform. Bloody awesome view. This is bloody magical. You can just see the condensation just coming up off the water. It looks beautiful. We went down here at night and the whole bottom here was loaded full of little baby fish. Apparently you can see there's spots here that you can see marram just walking across the bottom of the water. If you're from Victoria, it's kind of a yabby, so pretty much the same as a yabby but black. I don't know what I'm looking for. I don't know what kind of spots you need for them, so I had a quick look last night, couldn't see anything. Touching base on the cost of the camping, they do the infrastructure a lot more better than what we do, but you just see behind me that we've got some chairs and all that. You got free barbecue facilities. The toilets, the 2 toilets that I've used in the paid campsites have been rank. Alright, just want to give a big shout out in the background over here. You can see the 4x4 mechanic. Saved my ass. About 10 minutes down the road, I was at a service station. I pulled over for a wee. Came out and there's a big patch of oil underneath the car. Underneath the car, climbed underneath there, diff oil. So I'm like, shit, what the hell am I going to do? I'm out in the middle of nowhere. One of the guys from the Facebook groups recommended to come here. It was nearby. Came down here, they sorted it out, done it cheap as shit for me as well. It ended up being a blocked breather line, was pinched up against the side skip bolts, so the mounting system of that. Anyway, they saved my ass. That's the main thing. If you're ever in the area and you're stuck, give them a shout out, even give them a smash on social medias. I'm not sure if they're on there, I'll find out later on. But I'll let them know that 4x4 mechanic, go there, get them sorted out if you're stuck in Perth. Cheers, boys.